In this video, let's talk about our 15mm wheel spacers safe on your Mercedes. As long as you install them correctly, they will not cause any problems. Wheel spacers are a kind of safe and reliable wheel accessory. BONOSS has been designing and manufacturing wheel spacers since 2007. Professional production experience and excellent product quality makes us confident to provide a super long warranty survive up to 10 years. The machining accuracy of BONOSS spacers reaches a accuracy of 0.02 mm, making the gap as accurate as a hair, and it will be very smooth when you install it. If you want to get the BONOSS wheel spacers, please make sure to see the link down on the description. Thanks for watching and have a great day.